This 2024 Tiffin Midas 24MT is a Class C RV. It is located in Ardmore, Tennessee, 38449 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Ardmore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features a champagne interior, sleeps 2, slide-out, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2024 Tiffin Midas 24MT is built on a Ford 350 HD AWD Transit Cutaway chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.